Hello, this trading room sample video is an excerpt from a live online session. Hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone, welcome to our live trading room. Today is July the 13th. We are looking at the Euro USD 15-minute chart. And we see that the Euro, it's testing right now the 200 EMA and the 55 EMA. The 200 EMA is the blue line. The 55 EMA is the purple line. We see that the Euro USD is testing right now these two EMAs, these two moving averages. This is a very good entry point for a long position. Usually when the market comes down, breaks the 200 EMA and it retraces back to the 200 EMA, it usually bounces back up from the 200 EMA and it continues going up once it has broken that 200 EMA. Let's go ahead and enter one standard lot on the Euro USD, okay, at 140.56. Where will our stop loss go? The best place to put a stop loss would be below the EMAs, obviously, somewhere down here. Let's see how much would that be. Okay, let's make it we can make it a 30 pip stop loss, and our take profit target could be up here somewhere below the latest high, and that will give us a 50 pip take profit, but we don't need to be that greedy. We can use a 30 pip stop loss and a 30 pip take profit. Very good entry point right here. Okay, let's go ahead and enter our stop loss. We got our position got filled at 140.56, so the stop loss would be 140.26, 1.4026, and our take profit will be 1.4086. Okay, there we go. Let's get this line out of the way so we can see our position. There we have our position. Okay, we have a 30 pip stop loss and a 30 pip take profit. Let's leave it there and let's check the other currency pairs. Let's see what the Euro Yen is doing. Euro Yen 15-minute chart is also bouncing from the 55 EMA. The 55 EMA is acting as a support at this moment. Let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, we see that we also have the 200 EMA, the blue line, remember, acting as a support also. And on the 1-minute chart, we don't have any EMAs on the 1-minute chart. We do have this low right here, which could act as a support. But right now on the 1-minute chart, the market is bouncing from the 55 EMA and the 200 EMA to the downside. So what we should do is wait to see the market come back down and test this 200 EMA. Okay, on the 5-minute chart, just let's draw a reference line right there on the 200 EMA 5-minute chart, and let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. There we have the 55 EMA on the 15-minute chart and the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. They are coinciding around the same level, 111.38 for the Euro Yen. And if we see a breakout to the downside of this level, preferably of this low right here at 111.32, if we see a breakout of this level right here, then this will become a good entry point to go short. If it doesn't break this level, okay, then we can start thinking about going long. For now, as you can see, the market is testing the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart and the 55 EMA on the 15-minute chart. Okay, is acting as a strong support for the time being. Now let's take a look at the pound dollar. The pound dollar 15-minute chart. Okay, strong support around this area. Strong support around this area. These EMAs again acting as a support. Actually, there's kind of a channel over here, but the real significant support on this 15-minute chart for the pound dollar, it's around the 159.00, and that's no surprise for us because that's a nice round number. 159.00, nice psychological level, the 59.00 for the pound dollar. So even if the pound comes down and breaks these EMAs, this will become a more significant support than the EMAs in this case. To the upside, okay, we see kind of a channel, except that we have kind of a false breakout over here. Okay, here we have our entry points for the pound dollar. If it breaks the 59.87, wait for the pullback to the same area to go long. If it breaks the 159.00, wait for the pullback to go short. Okay, now let's take a look at the pound yen. Here we have the pound yen on 15-minute chart. Also, we see some channel consolidation over here on the pound yen. There we go. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this, on the other currency pairs. And our euro dollar position is, it has already been placed with a stop loss and a take profit, and we'll just wait to see how this trade develops for us. We'll come back to the euro USD to see how this trade developed. Okay, we're back at our euro USD position, and we see that it's working for us. We are at plus 19 pips. It's about to hit our take profit. Also, the euro yen is breaking the 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart. So if we do get another bullish candle, then we'll wait for the pullback to the 200 EMA and try to go long. The pound dollar is also breaking resistance over here, and we will apply the same strategy. Wait for a few bullish candles and then for the pullback, and then look for a long entry. Let's take a closer look at our euro USD position, and you can see down here that we are at plus 14-15 pips around. Okay, very close to our take profit level. We're getting close to our take profit, so let's leave it there and let's wait. Let's see if we do get this position to work for us. Let's go down to the 1 minute chart and take a look at this. This is a very good setup for us and for our position on the euro USD 1 minute chart, because the market broke the 200 EMA, now is pulling back to the 200 EMA, and now is trying to bounce from that 200 EMA. Okay, this is a very good example of how the market is fractal. Fractal meaning that we find the same setups on 1 minute chart, on 15-minute charts, and so on. Okay, we here on the 1 minute chart. Let's leave it there. Let's wait to see if we do get a next leg up strong enough to take us to our take profit target. Okay, going back to our position on the euro USD, getting close, very close to our profit target. Okay, we are at plus 23-24. Our take profit is at 30 pip take profit target. We are very close to hitting our profit target, 30 pip profit target, very close to reaching it. Okay, so finally our target got hit over here on this wick up here. Finally our target got hit over here, and we managed to capture our 30 pips on this trade. Very good trade, very good entry, because of the breakouts and the pullbacks to the 200 EMA. They worked for us pretty good. Thank you for coming to our session.